everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a review on Launch by Ciel Sowal. That's a salon in Sudirman at Jakarta Pusat. So I'm gonna cut my hair because it has been too long and it has sort of like no shape whatsoever to it. It's been like kind of just, I don't know, it's like messy. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So this is the after. Hi everyone, so I'm back. I've taken a shower, changed my clothes and everything, and this is how the hairstyle looks like when I just took a shower. I just dry it off, like I don't really like style it in any way. So yeah, this is how my hair naturally looks like without any styling at all. And so the one that I just showed you just now was the one after you wash it and then you hair dry it and you hairstyle it. But this one, it was without hairstyle at all. Okay, let's jump into the review of Launch by Ciel Sowal Salon. Okay, so I at first I saw Launch from Instagram ads, and then I did a bit of research, like because they seem pretty good. So I was just wanted to make sure, like, are they actually really good? And so when I look for their reviews and then their like publications in Japan, I was like, wow, actually this salon is pretty good. Like, it actually quite famous in Japan, and it's not really famous here in Indonesia, but I think it's going to, get famous too once, maybe after this video is released. I don't really know. Okay, first of all, like, if you are too lazy to watch the video, then I'm just gonna tell you right here, I love them so much. This is, I don't know, I cannot stop looking at myself, and I was like, oh my god, I look so freaking good because my hair is so freaking good. Like my face is still basic, okay, but my hair is amazing. So I feel like this is really good. Like he did such a great the stylist, he did such a great work of art on my hair. So yes, I am super duper recommending it to everyone. I would say it's a pretty detailed and a very like close to the photo kind of look. Then I think you would want to go there because honestly, like, I've been there twice. So in both of those times, I actually showed a picture that I found on Pinterest that I really like the hairstyle, and then I just show it to them, and oh my god, the result is literally the same like in the picture. I'm like super freaking happy because it's like never really happened last time. Like whenever I go to a cheap salon, it's like I show the picture and they're like come up with a completely different hair look. So I don't know, I just think it's amazing how they can kind of create my hair in a way that is so close to the photo, the reference photo. So yeah, totally I can recommend you to go to the Launch by Ciel Sowal. Okay, let me tell you like the background of everything. Okay, so I have been to Launch Salon for like twice. The first time I went there was like November 2021, and then the second time, which is this one that you're watching right now, it was on what is it? Okay, this is October. Yeah, it's on October. So it's about like 1 full year that I haven't got any haircut. My hair was a mess, and then it's like completely has no shape at all. And so yeah, I finally got some haircut, and then I got some shape into it, like a really nice beautiful shape. So the first time I went there, I was actually going to an Indonesian stylist. So in there, basically the pricing is kind of different. So with Japanese stylists and Indonesian stylists, they're pretty different. The difference is like half the price. So like for Indonesian stylists, that's about 275,000 Indonesian rupiah, and then for the Japanese stylist, that's about 550,000 Indonesian rupiah. I thought, you know what, I've tried the Indonesian one, let's try the Japanese one, because that's kind of something that I like to do. Like I like to like explore different stylists when I go to salon, like see which one is like the best one or something. So anyway, yeah, I went to the second visit, which is this one, is with a Japanese stylist, and oh my god, I totally forgot his name, but I think it's Yamazaki. I actually don't remember. I asked him, but then I don't remember. It was written like that in my receipt, but then I was like, I don't think that's his name. So anyway, I'll just say to you, like the one that who did my hairstyling is Yamazaki. He's amazing, really good. He's really amazing. I just love how he has like so much attention to little details. Like even I couldn't catch it. Like usually when I go to cheap salon, it's like I was like, oh my god, it's definitely this one is longer, this one is shorter. Are you kidding me, or something like that. Like I can always like spot the mistakes, but this one I don't even spot the mistakes, and he did. He was like looking into detail, like oh my god, this one is like, I don't know, I don't know why he's doing like all these last fix. So it's like, it's so freaking attention to the details, okay? Like everything is just good. Like every little piece of my hair is cut in a very good way. So it's just really amazing, so super wonderful. This whole day I was like, I went to the salon and in the morning, and then in the afternoon I have this like birthday event, not my birthday, someone else's birthday. And then like the whole day I was like, I cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror, in the selfies and all that, because I was like, oh my god, I look so freaking good. I don't know, it's just, do you guys get it? Like sometimes you just have a really nice hair, and then you're like, oh my god, I look so freaking good. I don't know, that's exactly like how I feel. So yeah, totally I recommend you guys. The service is amazing. Like it's not just the skill of the stylist, I love the service too there. Like for example, which I really like about hair salon is that you can do booking like a few days in advance, and then when you reach there, you don't have to wait anymore, because they have managed the time for each stylist perfectly. So you don't have to wait because the last client is like too long or something like that. Nothing like that at all. So you go exactly at the time when you book it, and then you go straight to the chair, you know. So it's like really nice. And then the second of all, I don't know, I just really like how they like greet us, and then they're like welcoming us. They're also like, when we are about to leave, they're also like giving a really good, how should I say, it's like I guess you can say it's like a good farewell. Like yeah, like I don't know, it's like thank you for coming, please come again, or something like that. I don't know what's that one called, but they just have amazing mannerisms. I like how they treat people. I like how they treat their own employees as well. I mean, I don't know, I just feel like everything is such perfection there. I don't know, it's like, I don't know, I cannot even say like is perfection exists, but you know, the perfection exists apparently here at Launch by Ciel Sowal Salon. I do think that this salon deserves a lot more recognition, because the place is quite hidden, and then they don't really have like a sign, outdoor kind of sign, where people pass by can know, oh, there's a salon over there. Like you would not know there is a salon over there until you actually enter it, and it's like on the second story as well. So it's like, I don't know, it's just pretty hidden, and I think really like more people should go there. For me, this Yamazaki guy, he is so much pay attention to the detail. I don't know, his eyes is just, he really knows like what a good haircut looks like. I don't know, it's like, it's just, I know that you know, most stylists should be able to do that, but apparently there's not much stylists that can do that, you know. So yeah, it's the reason why we kind of have a hard time finding the right stylist. Yeah, see what happens. He's gonna do magic on your hair. Trust me. If I'm not getting the name wrong, I'm so sorry if the name is wrong. Anyway, so yeah, that's actually all the review that I have for Launched by Ciel Sowal Salon in Sudirman, Jakarta. And thank you so much for everyone who is watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.